Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a watercolor effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is import the picture that you want to put the effect on. When you're done with that, right-click the layer and convert it to a smart object. Now select the layer, go to Filter, and select Filter Gallery. Here you can select the dry brush filter in the artistic folder. Put the brush size to 10, the brush detail to 10, and the texture to 1. Press OK. Then go to Filter Gallery again, and this time choose the cutout filter. Leave the default options on. Press OK. Next to our filter in our layer section, double click on these 4 lines. Here you can select the blending options for our filter gallery. Select Pin Light. As you can see, our picture has much more details now. Press OK. Now go to Filter, Blur, and Smart Blur. Select the radius to 5, the threshold to 100, and the quality to high. Press OK. Change the blending mode of our Smart Blur to Screen and put the opacity to 50. When you're done with that, press OK. Now go to Filter, go to Stylize, and press Find Edges. Select the blending mode to multiply. This gives us the effect that the image was previously hand-drawn with a pencil and then watercolored over it. Press OK. Now I'm going to import the texture of our watercoloring paper. I'm going to make sure it stretches over the whole canvas, and I'm going to place it under our picture. Select the top layer, and by holding Option on Mac or Alt on PC, create a new mask. Grab the brush tool, make sure white is selected as your color, go to the brush settings, scroll down, go to Wet Media Brushes, Happy HB preset, and select the size to something big, like 1000 pixels. And then, when you're ready, start drawing on your canvas. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.